This is what we did yesterday. Got all the way along here, up to this navel orange tree. And there's a sugar apple right behind it, that little skinny tree. Now we have to take from here and go back and take this area out. And now in here we actually have a lot of trees, including some good fruit trees. So we're gonna free up the trees and maybe cut down some of the bush trees and see what we have. There's also passion fruit in here. There's also some very pretty wildflowers, which I don't know if I want to cut down or not. Look at the butterflies, seem to like them. But there we go. This is our job for today. Right to the back. There are passion fruit rinds all over the ground now. We have discovered where the passion vines are growing from. This is them right here. And these are actually yam vines growing up the passion fruit vines, but the passion fruit vine is right here. And so we cleared up to the edge of it and freed it a little bit from all the other stuff that was on it. But this one is going way up here into all that mess of vines. And so I'm trying to cut every other vine but passion fruit. And that's the vine that's been dropping fruit all over the ground. But we got to be careful when we're clearing that we don't take it out, because I'd hate to lose it. It's really producing nicely. And some of the other passion fruit that were growing down along the ground were just way too hard to disentangle, and we just cleared them out. But that one, yeah, that one's good, and it's been making us a lot of fruit. We've been eating them all day. I found a cocoa tree back here, and there was a big termite nest right in the middle of it, so just knocked that out. Isn't that weird? See all the termite pieces down here on the ground? Bye-bye, termites. So here we go. This is the edge where the navel orange is. And we didn't get a whole ton done on this side. It actually was really thick. And we ran into some wasp nests. Multiple kids got stung. So it was a little more exciting. But I'm keeping this thing here because it brings in so many butterflies, and I've seen a lot of honeybees on it. It smells like it's a member of the mint family. And then we managed to free up this sugar apple that Rachel is standing underneath. Hey, sugar apple. That's good, I like that. Yeah. So this is a sugar apple, which is in the same family as pawpaw, and not the tropical pawpaw papaya, but it's a relative of Asamina triloba, the North American pawpaw. So this area here we did much better at. So this was all brush up here to this coconut palm, and this was brush right here. So this is all cleared back this way. Here the natives are restless. And we got back through here and discovered a few things along the way other than wasp nests. This is another skin up tree that is underneath. And that is, oh man, I don't know how that's gonna turn out. We don't know if it's male or female, so we're just gonna let it grow, but it's not producing anything because this tree right here, which goes up to the sky, it's huge, is shading it out and probably choking out a lot of its resources. So this one's gotta be cut down, and then we'll free that one up. Another thing we discovered here was a nitrogen fixer. This is it's like a cassia or something, but I just cleared around it. We'll keep it because this is going to be food forest here at some point. And then I found this sad little cocoa that was hiding underneath so many vines I didn't even know it was here. I could just see a couple of leaves, but as you can see, it's making pods. And down here, look at that, even in full shade, it was still flowering and setting fruit, so it should be a lot happier. This is also a cinnamon right here, and then I freed up the base of this orange tree. So overall, this is a pretty productive day, and we're starting to see what our property actually looks like. Thanks for joining us. Sorry I didn't have a big montage of cutting or anything like that, but it's just hard work right now. And it's time to go home. Until next time, may your thumbs always be green.
I went to see David the Good. We listened to Portishead and drank spiced rum.